Every day, your yard or garden throws new challenges your way, requiring you to switch between different watering tools that are right for the job. Attaching and twisting can be a hassle. With a quick connector, connecting your watering tools is a snap. A quick connector provides a fast and convenient way to make the switch in seconds, again and again. Plus, it's easy on your hands. With the water turned off, simply twist the female coupling to the end of your hose and the male coupling into your watering tool. Push the ring down at the top of the female coupling and pop the male coupling in. Release the ring to lock the connectors together, creating a tight seal. With the water off, disconnect the two ends by pushing down on the ring again and pulling them apart. You can use your quick connectors to simply link nozzles, sprinklers, and other watering tools to your hose, or to hook your hose to your faucet. You can also use it to connect multiple hoses to reach far-off areas of your yard. Simplifying your watering makes every day easier and the outdoors even more enjoyable. Getting things done the smart way? That's how a better day feels.